Yeah, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Ray West. You see, it's snowing outside, and it's crazy. Everywhere is snowy. You see that? It's winter already. This is just day one, and everywhere is so snowy. Like, check it out. Yeah. Yeah, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Real West, back outside with another video. It's snowing today. The weather is wild since yesterday. It's been snowing heavily, and yeah, it's really serious out there today. So right now I'm just driving up to the coffee shop. I'm going to the Tim Hortons, get some coffee, and head back home. It's like, just show you guys, I might just show you guys a little review of around, you know, what the snow is like everywhere. So yeah, come with me, let's go. Just do what we know how to do best. Yeah.
Points card?
No.
Debit?
Yeah, debit.
at the crib, look how far this shit'll take you. Raw sitting on 235 acres. And that's facts. Hamdan Muhammad like my third cousin. Facts. Mansour Muhammad like my real brother. Facts. Dubai embrace me like an Emirati. Facts. All my Rolls Royces got a different body. Facts.
It's snowing, snow day, everywhere snowing and snowing and snowing. So I'm heading out right now. Just want to take a drive outside. You know, when it's snowing, there's always traffic. Everybody drives slow, and everybody's trying to be driving slow and careful, so that's just what it is.